Dubai real estate versus global property markets. Where should you invest in 2025? Dubai has emerged as a true global real estate hotspot with unbeatable tax advantages, luxury living, and impressive returns. It's now being compared with cities like London, New York, Singapore, and Hong Kong. But how does it really measure up? Let's start with affordability. In Dubai, the average cost per square foot is around $550, much lower than London, $1,700, New York, $1,500, or Singapore, $1,600. You get ultra modern luxury at a fraction of the cost. It's high end real estate without the high end price tag. Now look at rental yields. Dubai averages 6 to 8% returns, far better than 2 to 4% in global cities. Whether it's a downtown penthouse or a Marina View apartment, the ROI potential is unmatched. Then there's the tax factor. Dubai is a zero tax environment, no income tax, no capital gains tax, no annual property tax. Compare that to the heavy tax loads in places like London or Singapore, and the net profit difference is huge. Thinking long term, with a property investment of just 2 million dirhams, around $545,000, you can qualify for Dubai's 10-year golden visa, offering stability, freedom, and residency for you and your family. Dubai's real estate market is also growing rapidly. Backed by visionary initiatives like the Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan and mega projects like Expo City, the city continues to attract global investors looking for smart, future proof opportunities. Here's the bottom line: higher rental yields, no property or income tax, fast, transparent transactions, freehold ownership for foreigners, residency through investment. While global cities offer tradition, Dubai offers transformation. It's modern, tax friendly, and built for growth. And that makes it a smart choice in 2025. Inch and Brick Realty is your trusted guide in this journey, giving you insider access to Dubai's top investment properties and helping you make confident, profitable decisions. Invest smart, invest Dubai, invest with Inch and Brick.